Hello everyone, Mark here from CNC Sourced. Today I want to introduce you to an impressive CNC machining technology called Wire Electrical Discharge Machining, or Wire EDM for short. Wire EDM works by using an electrically charged metal wire to cut through conductive materials. The wire never actually touches the workpiece. Instead, sparks jump across a tiny gap, melting away the material while the wire follows a carefully programmed path. This gives Wire EDM some truly unique capabilities. It can create complex curves, square corners, and tiny details that are impossible with other CNC methods like milling or laser cutting. Parts come out with mirror-like finishes too. In this video, we'll explore everything that makes Wire EDM so powerful. I'll walk you through how it works, the different applications where it shines, and even the limitations you need to be aware of. Consider this your complete beginner's guide to understanding Wire EDM. Don't miss the exclusive tip at the end of this video on maximizing precision in Wire EDM projects. Let's start by looking at the underlying concepts that enabled this technology. The idea of using electric sparks to remove material is centuries old. Back in 1770, a British chemist named Joseph Priestley noticed that the electrodes in his experiments were eroded by electrical discharges. It wasn't until the 1940s that the first EDM machines were built in the Soviet Union. Two physicist brothers developed them to machine difficult metals needed for the war effort. Over time, the technology was refined into Wire EDM. This advanced version offers more precision and flexibility compared to early EDM techniques. Sparks jump from a thin wire to melt the workpiece while leaving the wire unchanged. Now let's examine the Wire EDM process from start to finish. It begins with a spool of specialized EDM wire made of brass, coated brass, or other metal alloys. The wire feeds through the machine's cutting head and is charged with an electrical current. Without contacting the workpiece, sparks leap across a tiny gap, vaporizing tiny bits of material. The head moves along precise paths, controlling the location of each spark. This slowly cuts through the workpiece while cooling fluid flushes away debris. By carefully controlling the electrical charge, operators can choose whether to aggressively remove stock or finely polish the surface. Extremely smooth finishes under 1 micron are possible, and with 5-axis capabilities, tapered angles can be cut as well. This amazing process enables all kinds of applications that would be unrealistic otherwise. For example, Wire EDM is now being used across industries like aerospace, medical, and automotive. It's become an indispensable technology for rapid prototyping. The speed and geometric freedom provided by Wire EDM allows engineers to iterate designs far faster compared to manual machining. Smooth surface finishes and precise details also make it ideal for producing finished parts, not just prototypes. Small batches can be made without the need for custom molds or dies. In the medical field, Wire EDM is perfect for making implanted devices and surgical tools from biocompatible metals. It offers both precision and contamination-free cutting without introducing impurities. The aerospace sector takes advantage of Wire EDM for producing complex lightweight structures. Intricate patterns can be cut from difficult superalloys that would wreck other cutting tools. As with any advanced manufacturing process, there are limitations and downsides too. Wire EDM cannot match a laser cutter or water jet for speed, and it only works with electrically conductive materials, primarily metals. Certain alloys can also cause wire breakage issues. There's no questioning the extraordinary capabilities unlocked by this technology, though. With Wire EDM, complexity is free, and the results speak for themselves. From micro-scale medical parts to meter-tall monolithic aerospace structures, it empowers us to produce the impossible. I hope this video has gotten you excited about the possibilities of electrical discharge machining. If you want to go deeper and learn all the details, be sure to check out the full article about Wire EDM over on the CNC Sourced blog. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. What unique applications could you envision for this cutting-edge manufacturing process? And are you itching to get access to your own Wire EDM machine yet? Let's chat.